There she is. That's the Norwegian Epic. There she is. That's the Norwegian Epic. It's leaving on a Caribbean cruise. We'll be watching it leave. Hopefully it'll sound its horn. I don't know if it already did over there. The Norwegian horns are pretty heavy, and they look like they're going to be enjoying themselves. I'm in my typical Miami garb. My name is Jay Taylor, and I'll see you with the other cruises coming out. Well, there she is, the Norwegian Epic. Norwegian Epic. As you can see, there's already people enjoying themselves. There's the hostess on there telling them all what to do, how to have a good time. They're going to be coached the whole way on how to have a good time, and they know how to have a good time on the Norwegian.